Okay, now what are the chances of me hitting this button and actually turning the light on now that it's plugged in? Oh my goodness! Wow, it actually works! What's good, Ghost Gang? This your boy, Ghost Fighter 2T's. Y'all make sure y'all leave me a sub, a like, and a comment right there. This is the unboxing of my new refrigerator. We're gonna get right on into this unboxing. I got it from Walmart. I got it for $25. I thought it was gonna be much more, but evidently it was in the wrong part. It has, you can do it cold or warm temperatures. That is sick. You can put anywhere from, I don't know, I'll say a half dozen to about 8 waters in there. And it has a shelf in there. This is gonna help me have drinks on standby when I'm playing long hours of gaming. I hope you guys enjoy this video. We can get right on to the unboxing. I told you where I got it from. You can see that it has kind of like a LED light around it, and it has a button here. I'm not sure all how it works, so we're gonna open it up and we're gonna figure it out together. Let's go. I had already started opening it up, and here's the manual that comes with it. It tells you pretty much how it works. Oh wow! It says dry erase surface. What? So it has a dry erase surface to let people know, hey, have a drink if you want it, and you can wipe it off. Man, this is crazy. Okay, then it has the regular plug you plug in the wall, or it has the one that you can do in the car, so I can take this in the car. Cool, bro, genius, whoever thought of this little care, and that was all that was in there. But all right, that's exciting, bro. Okay, you get this in there, which is we want to hear from you. Write a review. Thank you for purchasing personal cooler LED lighting mini fridge. Write a review and help us to continue the product. So man, I'll definitely do that. And you can see how it's always packaged. So just pull. It has even a handle right here to pull it out. Man, I know everybody like looking in the box. There's nothing in there. Bada bing, and you know we're gonna come around here. Yeah. Pop those off. Pop that off. And we're gonna bust the plastic here. Pull it out like so. Man, this is awesome, man. Sit it up. And throw that back there. And here it is, man. Woo-hoo. So it has a little button back here that's a spring. And that's how you open it. Man, this is cold, man. I love doing reviews, man. And it has a little handle, so it has a little niche up here at the top. Okay, you see the little bubble? That little niche is so that you can carry it around wherever. You see the back of it? It has whether you want the stuff cool, off, or warm. So you don't even have to have it on any setting if you don't want. If it's on cool, it'll be a green light, cold, it'll be a red light, of course, or off. And then you can see it has a 12 volt DC out, or you can do the 12 volt or 120 AC straight into the wall. Man, this thing is so sweet. I like the fact that when I plug it in, I'm not sure if it's gonna light up or not, but if it doesn't, then that's okay with me, because that means I have to plug it and unplug it up at night. Or I could probably push a little button to cut it off so the light not be on. I don't know. It's gonna be in my room, so you gotta think, I like sleeping in complete darkness, so for me, it wouldn't work. I would wanna, let's see what we got here. Okay, so open this bad boy up. What else is in there? Okay, so it's just a tray. It's just a tray on the inside, and it has like little niches here, and you choose where you want to go at, and it's pretty sturdy. Look at that. It's sturdy. And I actually have an energy drink here so that I can show you guys how the energy drink thing works. So you can take the can, put it in this way. So this is gonna be a tester, because I don't know that this is 16 ounce. This is a 16 ounce fluid can, and it's the biggest can, so it closes, but I don't think you can put too many of them in there unless you're gonna take this part out and put it straight up and down. Then you could put maybe 4 drinks in there and maybe one or two of them across the top. Like put 4 drinks of this size in there and then maybe 2 water bottles in there. But yeah, that's it. There's the little tray that comes with it, and then right here it has the plugs. This one is for the car charger, and you see the end of it plugs right in. And then it comes also with the regular AC out, 120 volts straight into the wall. That is everything. That is the unboxing. No need to make this longer than it need to be. You know where to get it from, Walmart. $25 I paid for it, so maybe it's something you guys should probably rush and go get now. There's no guarantee that price is gonna stay that way. When I do these videos, I know over time I'll get thousands of views for videos like this because people like this kind of stuff. So maybe this is something you can get for somebody that you know. Look at that. And it's got like the little cooler. Oh, it even has a little area for you to sit little energy drinks here if you want to sit a little energy drink or a piece of candy, some candy or whatever you could put in the door. And then you just, let's see. There you go. Boom. All right, man. Hope you guys enjoy. Please be sure to go down in that corner right here and leave me a sub, like, and a comment. I appreciate you guys. I'm so excited to go set it up. I love you guys. Go set your teas, and I'm out.